It was a cold Tuesday morning. Rohan woke up at 6 a.m. He looked out of the window and saw the beautiful mountains. He said to himself, "Today is going to be a great day." He went to the kitchen to make some tea. In his family, Rohan is the one who makes the best tea. His mother came into the kitchen. She looked tired. Rohan smiled and said, "Good morning, Mom. Please sit down. I am making tea for you." His mother replied, "Thank you, Rohan. You are a very kind son." Rohan asked, "Do you want sugar in your tea?" She said, "Just a little bit, please." While drinking tea, Rohan started reading an English book. His little sister Anu came and asked, "Brother, why do you study English every morning?" Rohan replied, "Anu, English is like a bridge. It connects us to the world. If I learn English, I can talk to people from different countries." Anu was happy. She said, "I want to learn too. Can we practice together?" From that day, Rohan and Anu made a rule. Every day during tea time, they would speak only in English for 10 minutes. At first, it was difficult. They made many mistakes, but they did not stop. They laughed, they learned, and they improved.